Parkside Power Engraving tool for engraving and decorating many different materials. It has a comfortable soft grip, a durable engraving tip made from high-quality tungsten steel, and in addition, 2 engraving templates are also supplied with numbers, letters and symbols for clear and tidy labelling. This engraving tool is really very easy to use. You can handle it as you would a pencil that you use for writing, drawing or sketching. With the rotary switch here, you can set the number of strokes. That means how deep the penetration of the engraving is. If you're working with solid, thick wood, then it's best to set a high stroke rate. If you have, for example, glass, which is somewhat more fragile, then you simply set a lesser number of strokes. For wood, as I said, it should be a little bit higher. Right, and for engraving, hold the engraver at a slight angle, just as you would with a pencil. And make sure that your arm is always supported so that you'll have a steady hand. You then simply guide the engraving tip with light pressure over the wood in this case. With this button here, you switch the engraving tool on and off. You have to hold it down to engrave. With this engraving tool from Parkside, you really can customize many different things, engrave them. Things such as wooden objects, ceramics and also glass items. Candles are also really great for engraving. And you can also use it to identify your valuables, for example, by simply engraving them with your initials. And that can be best done with the stencil included. The extra long power cable is actually 2 meters long, and it gives you that extra bit of flexibility when working. The Parkside Power Engraving tool exclusively at Lidl, with a GS seal for tested safety, with the TÜV seal for user friendliness, tested for harmful substances, practically tested and endurance tested. And the whole thing with a 3-year guarantee, and as always for a really sharp price. Where quality's cheaper.